Hello! Today, I am going to show you how to make an Ethernet cable. But first, you must prepare the necessary equipments and tools needed. Here, we have the Ethernet cable and the Ethernet connector. And then, we have the necessary tools needed. And after that, we have the protective equipment. Step 1. Strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inches down from the end. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. Step 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them. Step 4. Cut the wires as straight as possible. Step 5. Carefully insert the wires all the way into the modular connector, making sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guides inside the connector. Step 6. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down. And that's it! When you're all done, the connectors should look like this.